Hey, are you also confused that how to complete the product understanding task, which is a booster task and contributes 300 points in our Google Student Ambassador journey? So don't worry, I am here to help you. Firstly, you have to click on this link, which is there in the July task guide. Then after that, you have to click on the after that you have to go on the 10th slide, which is the full script, and here you can see the script that what are the questions. So the flow is like that. You have to ask opening questions, then ask some core questions, and then you have to ask the participant to share their screen, and then like you have to guide them for the demo and they will complete the demo. And so for the form filling thing, which is a very confusing thing for many of the ambassadors, so don't worry, it is a very easy process. I'm going to explain it. So here you can see that like you can go to the portal and click on the home page, then we are going to the product understanding, and here you can see the three forms. So I have prepared something that like both three, like all three, pre, post, and form by ambassador is equals to one valid entry. And when I say this, I mean that like you can see here in the pre-survey form. Okay, here it is. In the pre-survey form, it is asking for name, Gmail, and ambassador GID and email ID and everything. Make sure the participant is filling their current Gmail ID, correct Gmail ID, and the correct ambassador ID and ambassador email. Same for the post form. And so when ambassador is going to submit the entry, so you have to fill the correct full name and correct email for of the participant, and like you have to submit the Google Drive link was for the interview or the demo task. And if you are going to conduct the 20 interviews, you can select the 20. If you are going to conduct 15 interviews or 10 or anything, you can select it from here. Okay, so that was it. Like you can see the script here. It is the script. You can access it with the July task presentation. Then you can go to the link here and it will open the AI mode, and you can go to the 10th slide. Or if you are having any task, any task related problem or anything, you can check other videos of this channel also, or you can comment your problem also. I will try to help you, and thank you.